A hemisphere is half of a sphere. But if we are going to calculate the surface area of a hemisphere, we're going to find the surface area of that rounded part, the half sphere, but then there's a flat bottom. There's a base to this hemisphere. If you think of like a snow globe sort of thing, like there's a bottom. It's not just hollow. It's not just a bowl or like a bubble. There's a bottom. And that bottom is in the shape of a circle. So a hemisphere is half of a sphere plus a circular base. Half of a sphere would be half of the surface area of a sphere, which is 4 pi r squared. And then a circular base, the area of a circle is just pi r squared. Half of 4 pi r squared is 2 pi r squared. 2 pi r squared plus pi r squared is 3 pi r squared. So the formula for the surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r squared. And the surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r squared because it's half of a sphere, which is 2 pi r squared, plus that flat circular base pi r squared. Find the surface area of this hemisphere in this example. It's just 3 pi 5 squared, which is 75 pi inches squared. Then the second example, a hemisphere has a base, so that circular base has an area of 49 inches squared. So this circular base, which is pi r squared, that area of that circle is pi r squared, is equal to 49 pi. And so I'm trying to solve for the radius. So r squared is 49. And so to get the radius, I'm just going to take the square root of 49, which is 7. And so now that I know that the radius of this sphere, this hemisphere, is 7, now I can go find the surface area of that hemisphere. 3 pi 7 squared is 147 pi inches squared.